Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a highly requested recipe, salad russe. But first, I want you to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you will be the first to know when I post a new video. Now let's get started. You're going to need one large beetroot, one potato. It's showing two, but I only end up using one, and then 2 carrots. That's if you're using small ones. And you're going to need 1 large egg. Now, vous pouvez mettre tout bagay bouilli ensemble parce que tout pral mélanger ensemble, c'est pas problème. Mettez tout bagay bouilli ensemble. Everything for your jambele, oh jambele, oh yeah. I remove the egg, the carrots, and potatoes because they cook a lot faster. And we're going to let everything cool down, and then now it's time to peel them. Nap kite tout bagay fret avant nou komanse kale yo. Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like me, oh, yeah, oh, yeah. You see me be like, I'm not a naughty rider. Let me please you right tonight. Don't make plans tonight, yeah, yeah. But get it, come to me. Now this can be a tedious process, but just take your time with it. At the end of the day, we're cooking for ourselves or for our loved ones, so we have to take our time and we have to cook with passion and love. Okay, so now we're going to slice them and then cut them into small little cubes. Okay, nap koupe yo en ti kare. Now this is a messy process, guys, but it doesn't matter. It's okay. We are cooking. We're not supposed to look pretty. C'est pas un petit process ka belle, mais nous kata connaisse manger na fait, c'est pas problème. Même si le pas paraît belle la goût, okay? My baby, I like you. My baby, I die for you. See you, you know, I see you. My baby, you know, I ride with you. My baby, I don't cover that, I die for you. I pray to the Lord. Now guys, be careful with the knife. If you don't have any experience, don't cut it in your hands like I'm doing. Just put it on your cutting board, okay? Because I have experience, I cut it in my hand, but don't do that. Si vous pas gen experience, ka couper nan men on kon sa metel sou yon bois ou bien n'importe so gen que ou rache ingrédients. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Ooh. Promise, Bobby, call you back, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. You looking like. Now it's time to cut our onions. I'm only using 1. Actually, I didn't even use the whole thing. I used half. And also we're going to use a piece of bell pepper. I use a green bell pepper, just like so. Mwen utilize yon zonyon blanc avec yon morceau piment douce. Remember to also cut your onions and bell pepper in cubes, okay? Songez pour couper zonyon yo avec piment douce la en ti kare. Now it's time to make our sauce. We're actually going to make a sauce for it, guys. So stay tuned. Now in a saucepan, we're going to add a piece of butter. N'a pas ajouté un petit morceau beurre. And 1 garlic clove, yon dan l'ail. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. You are not a friend of me, no. Baby, you mean more to me, more to me. Now we're going to add our chopped up onions and green peppers, green bell peppers. Okay, and then we're going to let it soften really, really well. Okay, we're just going to move it around the pot and then let it soften really well.
And we're also going to need some evaporated milk for this recipe. If you can find it, you can use whole milk. That's fine. I've used it before and it worked perfectly fine. We're only going to use a quarter, just yon kana petit. And make sure you're doing this on a low heat, guys. No dife petit, okay? We're gonna add some salt. Now we're ajoute un petit sel, tout petit, not a lot. And we're going to let it simmer until it reduces. N'a kite bouyi pour jusqu'à ce qu'elle réduit. And you're going to need 1 small can of kernel corn and 1 small can of sweet peas. Yon petit pois, yon petit mayi. And also, guys, I did not use the entire can. I only use half of each, okay? Seulement demi-boîte. Now, our sauce should be ready. And you see how well it reduced? Et c'est nous j'en ai bien réduit. Okay, so now we should be able to mix everything together really, really well. Okay, mixer tout bagay ansanm. Wow, the colors are just beautiful. Now it's time to add our cheese. I am using 2 of the laughing cow cheese. M'a utilisé 2 la vache qui rit. If you can't find this cheese, guys, I'm not sure. You can just do it without. I would say just do it with mayo, which I'm also going to add. Now we're going to add our mayo. Now I did not measure this, guys. I just eyeball it. Just make sure you don't put a lot. Just add a little bit as you go. M'pat mesurer ça, moi just ajouter ti crasse pa ti crasse. What I added here was a little bit of salt. M'ajoute un petit sel. And voila, we have our salad russe. Remember to hit the subscribe button, guys, and share the video. Bye now.